Once you introduce a game mechanic, like jumping, make sure the player has to use it to progress further. Give it some time, and test the player's ability to use it. After some time has passed, think of a way the player could utilize the mechanic in a creative way to solve a problem or overcome an obstacle. These 3 steps are a sign of good game design, and ensure that the player understands and remembers how to use a mechanic. For example, Super Mario Bros. First teaches the player the jump mechanic. It does it by showing the player that they can hit the bricks and get over gaps. Later, the jump mechanic is being tested by making the player jump on top of little Goombas, the first type of enemy in the game. Finally, the player is asked to use the jump mechanic creatively by utilizing a double jump to defeat the turtles, also known as Koopa Troopas. By the time, the player has a good understanding of what can be done in the game with the jump button. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.